Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube video. Today our topic is boat insurance. So let me just write it here. The boat insurance. Let's see what results come in our. So boat insurance get a quote online. Boat insurance get a quote online. There are different multiple sites. They are offering boat insurance. So let me just open the second one, which is progressive.com. So let me just give you an overview. Boat insurance is a type of coverage that provides financial protection for boat owners in case of accident, damage, or other unforeseen events related to their watercraft. Just like car insurance, boat insurance you know, help mitigate the financial risk associated with owning and operating a boat. Here are some key aspects of boat insurance. I don't know what happened with this site. They are not, just opening. So let me just go with the other one. So let's see what is it. So I was talking about the key aspects of boat insurance coverage, liability coverage, property coverage, medical payment coverage, uninsured or undersigned boater coverage. So basically, accept and they are offering and they are just saying that just open the site. Both US and Jinko have tempted up to paying boarders a great boat insurance policy at a great price, serviced by boating experts and backed by the nation's second largest auto insurance company. Or coverage options for boaters of all kinds can be paid. Check out our policy and add-on coverage options for a custom policy you can only find here. Agreed full value. The best marine insurance protection for your boat engine and gear pays you the most in the event of a claim. The agreed value when you buy the policy for total losses and parts are replaced. New for old, available all boats types excluding PWC. Actual cash value. This boat insurance coverage lower your premium by paying you the current market prices for your boat in the event of a total loss. Recommended for smaller boats, professional watercrafts, and boats without a lien holder. Liability only or lowest cost marine insurance policy providing essential liability coverage to protect your assets, without the added costs of hull coverage. Includes, savage and wreck removal available for ports into no lien holder. So, customs add-on coverage options. There are basically, dock contract liability. Provide liability coverages that may be required by a marina's dock contract. So, fishing guide coverage allow for paid passengers for the purpose of fishing, sightseeing, or day cruise. Maximum of six passengers on board, plus the captain while being used for the charter. Ice and freezing coverage. Lifetime repair guarantee. So basically, ice and freezing coverage usually excluded this endorsement, providing coverage for ice and freeze damage if you have your boat winterized by a marine professional. Lifetime repair guarantee provide a guarantee for claims related repair made at an approved facility for as long as you own and insure the boat through Boat Us, available with A-grade full value coverage only. So the lower dinghy deductible. This endorsement lowered the deductible for claims related to the dinghy and or the dinghy motors resulting from theft or damage to $100. Lower electronics deductibles. This endorsement lowered the deductibles for Claims relating to navigational electronics to $50. So, mechanical breakdown coverage provide coverage to the lower unit of the insured outboard engine and out drives due to mechanical breakdown, which is usually excluded in the policy. Available with agreed hull coverage only. Disappearing deductible does not apply. You can click here for additional information. And the person effective coverage, coverage for fishing and water sport equipment and personal items such as cell phones, tablets, stereos, and clothing lost or damaged while on board or while being loaded for unloaded from the boat. For competitive anglers or water sport enthusiasts, tourism and reimbursement fees are also covered under personal effect. So supplemental family medical payment $25,000 to ensure that you or your family do not incur a large out-of-pocket expense if injured on board. Our policies also include an additional $25,000 for payments not covered by any major medical policy. This coverage is in addition to the medical payments limit you select with your policy. Unlimited towing from tow borders. Get unlimited towing from tow borders or lowest price as little as $3 a month from the insured board. Pricing varies with the length and location of your port. Click here for the additional information. And trailer coverage with roadside assistance including when your insurer and trailer roadside assistance while trailing your board is included. So basically, unlimited towing for towboat US, the nation's largest fleet, and unlimited, towing to your boat policy as little as $3 a month based on boat size and location. They are basically easy payment options. Paying your insurance premium is quick, easy, and affordable with auto pay and installment payment options. We all payment options for a code. Visit your application, or you can call 800 283 for personal services. All coverage is subject to term conditions, limits, and exclusion of the policy. Not all policy options are available in the Allstate Board, and PwC policies are underwritten by GEICO, by the insurance company with administrative officers and 5 to 2. So, thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.